Meaning of Equatorial Guinea.
Equatorial Guinea.
Equatorial Guinea.
Equatorial Guinea.
Equatorial Guinea. Equatorial Guinea is a country located in Central Africa, situated in the Gulf of Guinea. The name Equatorial derives from its location near the equator, and Guinea is a traditional name for the region. The country includes several islands, namely Bioko, Annobon, Corisco, Ilobi Grande, and Ilobi Chico. Spanish is the official language of Equatorial Guinea, and the country's capital and largest city is Malabo. Its economy is primarily based on oil exports, and it has a population of around 1.4 million people.